Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Dollar Tree haul. So basically guys, this is gonna be like the other regular Dollar Tree hauls that have been on my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I like to do Dollar Tree hauls. So check out my channel guys. I have a bunch of them on my channel. And when I mean a bunch, probably like 3. So, or 4, I don't know. But I do have no Dollar Tree nail related videos. But anyway guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for coming back to my OG subscribers. So if you guys want to see the haul, let's get into the video already. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys can't tell, it's raining outside. But my boyfriend's off work today, and because it's Memorial Day, right? So we are going to go to the Dollar Tree, and I am recording on my phone only because I want to be a little more discreet when I'm filming there, because people be looking at you crazy when you're vlogging in public, like they never seen a vlogger. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what they have from my point of view, and hopefully we're gonna go to a different Dollar Tree, so hopefully they have different things there. And yeah, I know a lot of the times people don't, well not people, but certain Dollar Trees don't have everything that you guys see in my videos or in other people's videos. So yeah, we're gonna see what they have in comparison to where I live. So we're going a couple miles north and we'll see what we find. So I will show you guys what I see when we get there.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you.
Oh wow, they have so much stuff here. I just gotta get a good little glimpse of everything. Holy crap, they have so much stuff here. Okay, that's all the makeup stuff, I think. Yeah. I need to show more of this. Ooh, cuticle oil. Oh wow, look at these little French ones. But they don't have the ones I'm looking for though. The tips that I'm looking for. I thought they would have them here. They probably don't sell them anymore. They have these thingies. What? Go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a quick little voiceover and interrupt my vlog. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I came to this Dollar Tree because I knew they would have a little bit of different things, and I was kind of surprised that they did. They had a couple different things that my Dollar Trees don't have. And I did take this eyeshadow palette that you guys just saw up above. I will show that in the haul at the end of the video, but anyway, I'm just giving you guys a little skim through. These are the containers I used to use back in the day when I started as a beginner, and I actually prefer the round ones, so I was looking for these round ones and I found them, thankfully. And yeah, I just threw them in my cart, and I just kept looking around, and then I did eventually go back to the nail aisle, but then I went around to the aisle next to me because I did need an extra garbage little can. Okay. This is what I Dang, they only have one left. I knew that they would have them here. I was so shocked that when I first saw that they didn't. Oh wow, they have so many. What's this? I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get them because this will be great for a video. So I'm gonna take this one. So I got glitter. What else? What is this? This one. What else? I got little eyeballs. Oh my gosh, babe, look what they have. They have pearls. Wait, are these the kind? I could probably do something with those. Look at the white ones. And then they have the little containers. And then they got the little bags. So this is what is good to like put mixes and shit. Okay. So they got these containers and then they got the alcohol little spray bottles. I think that's.
What container?
These containers. These little like spray bottles. Where else could we go? I think that's it for this section. Hey guys, we just left the Dollar Tree and yeah, it was really weird to vlog in there because I haven't done that in a long time and people were just looking at us weird, kind of. I mean, I kind of don't try to pay attention to that, but I can feel it in the air. Anyways, I'm hungry and we're gonna go get something to eat, and I don't know if I'm gonna do a haul when I get home or for tomorrow. We'll see how I feel. But yeah, that was my little vlog going into the Dollar Tree. I wanted to show you guys footage of the things I had in there as much as I could. So I will see you guys later. Okay guys, so the reason why I'm talking so fast is because I've had 2 cups of coffee today and I feel like I usually have 2 cups of coffee. But then again, this is the time where I'm like, okay, I'm starting to get hyped up again. Anyway guys, I just got back from being out and about and I don't really go out that much and I feel kind of weird, so maybe I'm just excited that I actually got out of the house. I don't know. But anyway, let's get into the video because I'm rambling too much. So anyway, this Dollar Tree, basically I wanted to give you guys a little backstory. So this Dollar Tree that we went to today is a little special. Why, you may ask? Because usually I go to the same Dollar Trees around, that every time I do a Dollar Tree haul, the ones that I've shown you guys, it's always the same ones. I think it's the same 2 or 3 that I've been to. So this particular Dollar Tree, I told my boyfriend, I was like, let's go all the way across town, 25 minutes away from where we live, which I never do because I hate to drive. So of course I told my boyfriend, you can drive, right? Let's go. So we get to that Dollar Tree. He's like, that's actually a good idea, because I told him that this Dollar Tree has very, very good stuff there. So he was like, oh, okay, then let's go to that one. So we went, and I'm so glad we went because I found the 2 things that I have not been able to find in my Dollar Trees. I haven't found glitter. I haven't been able to find nail tips. Yeah, it was hard. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. I can't believe I found them. I have footage and I will be showing you guys in this video somewhere. So let's get into it. So of course, you guys always see these in the haul. I always get these because I always seem to run out. These are good for anything. Cleaning a polish off the nails or soaking off nails. So we got 2 of them. Okay, so the other day I did a haul and I did show you guys these other, what are they called? Like adhesive hooks. But the other ones are like rubber and they didn't stick to my table, and I need them to hang up my nail display little swatch sticks of gel and acrylic, and they didn't stick. So I'm gonna be trying these out and hopefully these are better, and if they suck I will let you guys know. But just so you guys know, the other ones sucked and I'm gonna show you which ones they are. Okay, so the last Dollar Tree video I showed you guys these, and I got these at the Dollar Tree too, and I'm like, okay, these are gonna work. I think these are for the shower or something because they did not work on my table or in my room. So they look like that and they suck, so I don't want these. And I'm gonna be trying these out, and these have like, I think adhesive tape. I'm not really sure how to do these, but we're gonna be trying these out, and I will get back to you guys on if they work or not. But this is what they look like. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is, well, I was gonna show you that, but let's show you guys something else first before I show you that. Okay, so I got this LA Colors eyeshadow little palette. Why did I get this one, and why am I getting eyeshadow? Okay, so eyeshadow, actually, you guys, I don't know, I've told my subscribers before, I used to use eyeshadow to make cover acrylics. To do on myself, just to see if it'll work. It works perfectly fine. The lifting thing, because I know some of them are oil based, I don't know, the ones that I used to use, nothing ever really happened. My nails didn't really lift what I remember, but I don't know. We're gonna put this to the test again, but I did buy this because it does have the darkest shade, the medium shade, and the lightest shade, so I can make my custom-made acrylics. And this is why I also bought these little containers from the Dollar Tree. These are gonna be somewhere in, like, you know, that aisle where, like, there's Tupperware and the glasses, or maybe plastic, what is it called? The aluminum foil, the plastic wrap? Yeah, that's where you find this, you know, near the kitchen stuff. So this is really what I used to use for when I used to do my DIY, like custom made acrylics for my clients. So like if they wanted a specific cover, or if they wanted a specific color, I would mix it in here. If they wanted like a glitter, I would mix it in and put it in here. Perfectly fine. I'm still gonna do that because they're not the prettiest containers, but they get the job done, and it's better than those little plastic ones that you get at Walmart, like the, what are they called? I don't know, the other ones that are like literally the thinnest plastic ever. So that's what we got, these, and these are 10 of them, and you get them for $1. Okay, so like I said, you guys, in the beginning of this video, look what I found. Can you guys believe I finally found some glitters? These are the glitters I used to, well, not specifically this brand, but the glitters from the Dollar Tree. I used to buy there all the time when I started doing nails. I swear I would go to Dollar Tree, I would get nail polish, I would get glitter, I would get the little not Tupperware, but the little containers I just showed you from the kitchen aisle. I would get those, and I would think like, oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Like, you really don't need that much in the beginning. Like I told a couple of my subscribers that it's okay to start from the bottom. That's how you learn, that's how you appreciate when you buy your little nice things in the future. And let's see, so this was a big gem that I found, you guys. I can't believe this. I finally found some. I've never seen these, I think. I've seen other ones in my other Dollar Tree video. If you guys see the other video, you would see the other tips that I found there. Very shocking to find there. But yeah, guys, I can't believe I found these. And these are just, it says 20 natural nails. That's all it says. And it says oval. But these are the nails I'll be using in some of my upcoming Dollar Tree do-it-yourself nail tutorials. Keep a lookout on these. Once again, this is what they look like. Can't believe I found these. Wow. Another one right here. Can you believe it? So freaking cool. This one has so many. All your basic colors. So something unrelated nail. Something unrelated hair little clips. So I got these because they reminded me, like when I was a kid, I used to put these in my hair like this. Let me see. And I feel like this style's going back in. I'll probably use these for my daughter more than me, who knows? Or maybe we could share them. But I thought they were cute. I might need to fix this one. Ow, I'm stabbing my head with my nails. Did I put them on right? I don't even know. I kind of like the yellow ones. We should layer them up. Guys, I'm so random. Why am I doing this in the middle of my video? Go ahead, ask me. I really don't know. Oh, I put the orange one. I think this goes with my shirt, actually. Like, you know, colorful vibes here too. All right, we gotta look. We gotta look. Are they on straight? I can't tell because the ring light is all up in my face. I don't know. Anyway, okay guys, we're almost done. I have one more thing, well, technically 2 more things to show you guys. So I found these cute little pearls. This one's like an ivory color, and then this one is more like a white color. And basically I thought, oh, this will be cute on nails. You guys ever seen like the little mermaid nails and they put the little pearl accents? The only thing I don't like is that they do have the holes, so it's kind of like more for like making bracelets. They look like this up close. That's the only reason I don't like them, is only because they have little holes. And last but not least, actually I bought a couple of these. I just don't want to show them all, but I did buy some soap in case, you know, you're taking clients. Definitely Dollar Tree has soap. And yeah, every Dollar Tree I've been to actually has soap. And I bought 3 for myself because my son's all like, we're running out of soap, coronavirus. And I'm just like, okay, I get it. So I went to go get more soap, and they have so many nice scents. And I got this Himalayan salt one, and my boyfriend picked out the other ones. I don't even know where they are. I think I left them at the table over there. And that's pretty much my whole haul. I think it was pretty short, but I thought like this will give you guys hope, because just because my Dollar Trees around here doesn't have like the glitter that I've been searching for everywhere in the tips. I think I just spit in the air. Anyway, so just because these don't have it around here doesn't mean like, let me go in, you know, I don't know. I'm very blessed to live in a big city where like I can go to a billion Dollar Trees if I wanted to. And I know like I used to like, when was this? Okay, so when I was living in Colorado, they had one Dollar Tree for miles and miles and miles and miles, because we were in a small town, because that's where my boyfriend's family lives. And literally one Dollar Tree is all I could depend on, and they really didn't have as much either. So I feel your pain to all my subscribers saying that their Dollar Tree sucks or whatever. I get it. But thankfully I live in a city and I can go to a lot of places. But I do remember in Colorado, we used to like drive, even if it was an hour away, to the mall, to the major stores, and we would also hit up the Dollar Trees, because you know that's my favorite thing to do in life. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned, because I am going to be incorporating, is that a fly? Yes. And okay, now it's bugging me. Okay, please stay tuned, because I am going to be incorporating all these Dollar Tree little things that I've been buying and making DIY now, so that you guys can see that you really don't need that much money if you really want to do your own nails at home. And if you really want to take clients and you want to collect your own little things here and there, Dollar Tree could be your best friend. That was my best friend when I started, so go ahead and go to Dollar Tree, because it'll probably save your life. Anyway, well, not literally, but you know what I mean. Your nail tech life, I guess. Anyway, that's all, guys. Don't forget about the giveaway. The giveaway rules are in my last video, and it does end, when is it? The giveaway, what video was it? Okay, so the giveaway that I did was uploaded yesterday. So if you guys want to see the rules, go back to that video, and basically you just comment in that specific video, and you comment your favorite person, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube. And leave your, well, when you comment your favorite person, don't forget to leave your IG name, so that when you win, I can contact you a lot easier. The giveaway does end on June 1st, and the winner will be announced June 2nd. So stay tuned for that, you guys. I'm too hyper right now. I need to calm down. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching me and entertaining me entertain you. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.